everybody, and thank you all for tuning in to my channel. My name is Angeline, and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. As you all know, we are in graduation season, and Mother's Day is next month, right? So we're going to go ahead and create something that we can use for birthdays, Mother's Day, graduation, Father's Day, just because, right? Anniversary, whatever you want to create a gift for, right? So I am using these clear balloons that I purchased from Party City. It came in a pack of 4, so we have 4 clear balloons. It came with 4 sticks, 4 the little toppers so that you can place the balloons on top of it. And it also came with a nice little battery pack with lights. Okay, so I'm not going to be using any of those things. Only thing that I will be using is the clear balloon. Now, the first thing I did was I kind of like blew it up just to make sure that it will like get larger than what I thought it would get. So in the process of me doing that, somehow, child, I poked a hole in the balloon. I can't see it now, but I placed like 2-3 pieces of tape, but I'll show y'all in a minute, okay? So how I got the dollar bills inside. I just rolled them up, okay? So I just rolled up the dollar bill really, really tight, and I placed it on the inside. Now, I did cut the neck of my balloon, and I'll show you guys what I mean. As you can see, you see how this is cut here? Now, this is how it originally looked. It originally looked like this, and the hole is very, very tiny. So I placed all of these dollar bills in there when it was still at this stage, okay? So I ended up cutting it off because I wanted to, I thought that I wanted to place something larger in the inside, and I'm actually not going to be doing that, so, but whatever. We can still utilize the balloon, right? So this is the handheld air pump. I'm going to show you all how I use it. Just like so. And I'm sure you can hear it. Let me see. If you can hear some of the air like coming out where I taped it. So yeah, that's where I taped it, and now the air is coming out. So I'm just gonna place another piece of tape right there. Okay, so we good to go, right? All right, now it's time to go ahead and insert our, I think these are called latex balloons. Yeah, I'm gonna go and start inserting these. I'm gonna try to put a total of 4 of these, and I'm not gonna blow them all the way up. I'm just gonna blow them up to maybe like 5 inches. Something like this, maybe. But I will be placing these inside of the clear balloon, okay? So I'm going to be using this tool here. Insert the balloon inside, and now I'm going to place this inside of the clear balloon. Like so. Now, I'm going to go ahead and place the air inside of the colored balloon, but I'm still going to hold the neck of the clear balloon. So like I said, I'm going to try to do a total of 4 of these inside of the clear balloon, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot. And then we're going to start placing our other balloons inside. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off this little excess here. I don't really want that to show. Perfect. Okay, so our first balloon is in the inside. Now let's go ahead and repeat the same steps for our other 3 balloons. And I do have another idea that came in mind as well. I saw one lady place some paint inside, and then she placed a solid color balloon inside and kind of gave it like a marble effect. So I'm going to try that one as well, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and do our remaining 2, and then we will be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and I do have a total of 3 balloons inside now. Now, I did think that it was important to come back on to show you all how I am placing the balloons inside while the clear balloon is actually blown up. So in order for this to move around and get its own room, and for this balloon to actually be blown up, we actually need to be placing air inside of the clear balloon first, and then placing our balloons inside, okay? So I kind of do it like backwards a little bit. I don't know. I watched a good 3-4 videos, y'all, and just started like winging it. So this is my little version. Okay, so this is what I mean by didn't make any sense, okay? So I'm going to take the hand pump and I'm going to place some air inside of the clear balloon. So I'm going to blow the clear balloon up so that the latex balloon have room to be blown up as well. Try to put as much air as possible, but I don't want my balloon to pop because, as you all know, I have a hole in it. Okay, so about here. Now this balloon that I'm going to place some air in have room to move around now. But I'm still holding the clear balloon too. So, placing the nozzle in. And now I have my, I have the nozzle in here. But I'm still holding on to the clear balloon while I'm blowing that up. So I'm just going to turn it around so y'all can see that this is actually being blown up. Okay. Yeah, that's a better view. Perfect. That's a little bit more air. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so now I can go ahead and tie the knot and cut off the excess. Okay. Alright, so the clear balloon is still blown up because this balloon is actually stopping the air from coming out, as you can see. So this is actually perfect here. I think I can go ahead and tie the clear balloon up as well. I think this is blown up pretty big. I don't know. Let me see. I maybe blow it up just a little bit more where the balloons are actually like floating. Let's see. Let's see if I can move this balloon around. Like, yeah. Okay. Just like this, so they can easily move around. Okay. Okay, guys. So here is how the balloons turned out with the money at the bottom, and of course you can place more money in there if you would like. Okay. So the next step, and all I did was tie the rubber band around the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is, I have this tissue paper, so I am going to be placing tissue paper inside. But I'm going to go ahead and place this decal that I cut out with using my Cricut machine. I'm going to place that on one side of the box. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and weed this out. So I went ahead and weeded out my vinyl, and I placed it on the side of my box, and I removed the top from the bottom of the box because we're going to need that to wrap the ribbon around it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place my tissue paper inside. Not doing anything fancy, just spreading it out. Make sure that it's even on both sides. Like so. Now we're going to go ahead and place the balloon inside. Go ahead and bring this over. like so. Yes. Because my tape is still on. No air is coming out though. And the money is just moving around, which is cool. Very organic, so I'm just going to keep it that way. And now I'm going to take this ribbon, some nice little pretty shimmery ribbon on this side, and then it's like solid on that side. So I'm going to use the shinier side. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this over half of the balloon. Go ahead and place some tape on each end of the ribbon, and then I'm going to go ahead and tuck it underneath the box. Alright. Go ahead and fix it again. Pulling it down as tight as I can. And then I'm just wrapping it underneath. Just fluffing up my tissue paper. And because I'm not placing anything at the bottom as well, so you can also place like some candy maybe in the side of the box. But this is the final reveal. Y'all don't talk about my my tape. Let me turn it around. What? So that's I could be facing. Oh, I did it the opposite way. That's why. But yeah, so this is the end of the tutorial. As you all can see, flaws and all, but it turned out really, really nice. I will definitely be coming back on recreating this with the paint idea that I saw from the I forgot her name, but once I find the video I will link her information. It was a really, really, really nice video. I definitely have to try that. So I'll be coming on doing that paint idea that I spoke about earlier. I know that that's going to be a really nice idea. Okay. So let me know in the comment section below how you all thought this turned out. I think it turned out really, really cute. And again, I am going to be coming back on to do another idea. Maybe I'll do something for graduation as well. So leave the comments in the comment section below if you all have any suggestions. Also leave some suggestions for me as well. But that's it. Like the video, thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. Stay tuned. We do have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.